Hello and welcome to this new Python series using ArcGIS library for complete beginners. In this introduction tutorial, we will proceed with all the installations that are needed, also fixing a couple of bugs. Let's open our CMD and open our Jupyter Notebook. If you don't already have Jupyter Notebook, you can always install it by using pip install Jupyter. Run this command. I have also installed mine, so it is okay. Now run Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter is a server client app that allows you to run notebook documents via a web browser. In the upper right corner, just press the new button and then press Python 3. In our first line, just type import arcgis, shift enter. As you can see, I don't have also installed mine. Let's open a CMD and type pip install arcgis. Also install pip install ipywidgets to save some time. We will need it later. Okay, perfect. Let's go back to our Jupyter notebook. Run again. As you can see, it is totally fine. Now from arcgis.gis import GIS with capital letters. GIS with load letters is equal to GIS with brackets. Now our map variable will be gis.map and run our map. As you can see, we can't see our map. We can easily fix this problem. You have to go to your Jupyter folder location. Go back, open your etc folder, run cmd in this location, and run Jupyter Notebook. We'll open a new kernel. We'll type again all the commands. Import arcgis from arcgis.gis import gis. GIS is equal to GIS with brackets. Map is equal to gis.map and run our map. Shift enter. And now you can see our map. To fix this bug, you can go to the etc folder, go inside the Jupyter, you can copy the notebook config, Control C. You can go to the operation system, users, my name, Jupyter, and you can paste this file here. If you go back to our first Jupyter notebook, we don't need this anymore. Close these two. Okay, we can run our commands. As you can see, it is not fixed yet. Close this kernel, open a new Python, run again our commands, import arcgis from arcgis.gis import gis. GIS is equal to capital GIS. Map is equal to gis.map and run our map. Shift enter. Okay, I forgot my parentheses here. Run again. And here is our map. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.